others first. Written by Mrs. Amrutalata.
Our neighbors, Mr. and Mrs. Naveen, are going to leave for Hyderabad. They want to leave their children with us for 2 days. They may come at any moment.
Remember, their children have been a great care to them, so we must take care for their children while they are away.
Did you understand, my kids?
Yes, Grandpa. Clean up. Auntie and uncle are going to visit us now.
Raju and Vinod, come here. What's this? Wet towel? Don't spread wet towels on the beds. Our guests feel uncomfortable if the beds stink with wet towels.
Oh my goodness, what's this? A big mess over here? Water bags, books, lunchbox, what not? Everything on the sofas? Sofas are meant for sitting, my children. Come on, clean up. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Shreya. Hi, Uncle.
Hi.
Hi, Chintu. Hi, Kriti. Hi, Yashu. Hi.
What do you like, tea or coffee?
Either.
We are not bothered. Hey, you're too young to hold the cup.
Maitreyi, let him learn how to get coffee.
Raju, what's up? Don't spill over Uncle's shit.
Okay, Dad.
Will you all go and freshen up in the restroom?
Shreya, you have to be careful while speaking to Preeti. She is very easily offended.
Chintu is an aggressive boy and tries to snatch everything whatever he likes from others.
Yashu is sensitive and introvert.
We are leaving tonight. Will you please handle them carefully?
Don't worry.
We take care of your kids.
Bye.
Bye. I smell something nasty from our bathroom. Do you smell anything, Yashu? Yeah, your bathroom is stinking of urine.
Might be off your urine, Yashu.
Because you are the newcomer in the house.
What does it mean? I didn't even go for a pee today. Auntie, Vinod is making me a laughing stock in front of everyone.
Cool down. Raju smells something it seems. But I don't smell anything. Only the dogs have a very good sense of smell. Not human beings, I suppose. Am I right, Yashu? Yeah. What do you mean? Am I a dog? Vinod is calling me names. Mom! I didn't mean so. In fact, it is a compliment. I'm appreciating your sense of smell. That's all. Eureka! It's you, not Yashu. Who haven't flushed the commode? That's why you're mocking at both Raju and Yashu. Yeah. What you said is true, Shreya. It's not funny, Vinod. I know you're naughty. Yashu is nearly in tears. He's your neighbor and also your friend. Don't make fun of him.
He's away from his parents. He's very sensitive. He stands aloof forever from everyone if you behave like this. Say sorry to him.
I did it just for fun, Yashu. I'm sorry. I made you cry. You got the blame for what I did. Now onwards we are friends. Post. I'm afraid I opened your letter by mistake. What? How dare you? Mom, look. This fellow opened my letter, it seems. Leave it, my darling. He apologized you for opening your letter. He already told you that he opened your letter by mistake. No, he did it deliberately. You silly boy. If it is so, he would not have revealed it. But one thing, he is so modest in admitting his mistake. No, that's not true. He is very nosy. Flips through letters of others. Don't stretch the matter, Raju. Believe him, at least he had the decency to apologize. Had he read it deliberately, he would have torn and thrown it in a dustbin without your knowledge. But he did not do like that. Did he? No, he didn't.
So, don't misunderstand him. Instead, you should appreciate his sincerity. I am going to office. Bye.
Raju, I hear him crying somewhere nearby. He's in Dad's bathroom. Then why is he crying? Raju shut him in Dad's bathroom. What? Yes, Mom. He disturbed me while I was reading. I warned him that I would shut him in Dad's bathroom if he disturbed me, but he has not listened. So Raju took him and shut him in Dad's bathroom and came back, Mom. The door was closed and locked automatically. I don't know how to open the door. What to do now? What do their parents think of you, Raju? Shreya, go and find out whether we have spare keys to open the door. Hey, బొంగరాలంటి కళ్ళు తిప్పింది, ఉంగరాలున్న జుట్టు తిప్పింది, గింగిరాలెత్తే నడుమంపుల్లో నన్నే తిప్పింది. అమ్మో, బాపు గారి బొమ్మ, ఓలమ్మో, మలకుల బొమ్మ. Who is there in the restroom? Please come out. I need to go to potty. I want to take a leak. There is no other go. Now we do not have any other bathroom except Dad's. But Chintu was in Dad's bathroom. We don't have keys to open it. What to do? Thank God, I got the keys. Raju, look at poor Chintu. He was badly frightened by our behavior. Oh my goodness! He got fever too. Don't threaten the young kids like this. How long you want to take bath, Vinod? There is only one bathroom for 6 kids. Think of others who need to go for the restroom. If you stay hours together in the bathroom, how do others go for toilet, my child? Oh, the very sight of ice cream makes my mouth water.
So you could not resist your temptation of eating entire ice cream?
You ate it silently like a cat and left nothing for others. Look, Chintu is crying for it. Had you left something, he wouldn't have cried. Think of others before eating anything. Yashu, will you get me pakodi? It will save me bother of going to kitchen. You lazy fellow, he's not your servant to get whatever you ask. Try to burn your calories instead of sitting and sleeping like a log.
What's this? Look at the oily fingerprints on the doors and furniture. Think of your mom, how many times your mother has to clean the doors. You can use doorknobs to open and close them, can't you?
Or else you should get tissue papers to wipe your hands before eating anything, my boys. Please go and wash your hands now.
No one is perfect in this world, my son. We must teach them good manners, not all at once. We don't find any quick fixes in shaping and molding one's behavior. You seem upset, Chintu. What happened? I want to watch Pogo. I want to watch Animal Planet.
Sorry, Chintu. My parents don't like push button entertainment. Push button entertainment? What does it mean?
Playing with video games, operating computers, and watching TV. They never allow us to watch TV, so you are not supposed to watch TV. Raju, will you turn off TV, please? If you don't allow me to watch TV, I want to ride the cycle at least. Me too. There is only one cycle, but it belongs to Raju. You had better ask him. Raju, will you please give me your cycle? No, this little boy Chintu hates sharing his toys with me. Then, why should I allow him to ride my cycle?
Kids usually never share anything with others. We should share responsibility for them.
But Chintu is too young to know his responsibility. So, give him your cycle, he will realize later. Hey! Does Raju check his socks every day on the floor like this? Yes, he did it yesterday too. Raju, come here. Show me your feet. Yeah, your feet stink. Go and wash them. I don't care, but others care, you know. I don't bother. Nothing seems to bother you, but it bothers everyone if you don't wash them. You are not supposed to be an easygoing boy like this, Raju. It's not my duty. Mom is there to wash my socks. Why do you bother?
Shame on you, Raju. No doubt, you mom can't bother to wash your socks. She works for you from dawn to dusk every day, you know.
She has been doing the work restlessly since your childhood. But how long like this? You all are grown-up children now. You can do it by yourself.
From today onwards, you yourself wash your socks and put them ready for the next day. Hereafter, your mom will never get them for you. Understood? Yeah, Granny. Dad, Uncle and Auntie left their children with us and went away. They are missing them. How come they live without their children?
They wanted to see how their children mingle and adjust with others when they are away.
Moreover, they don't want to pamper their children by paying too much of attention.
They left them here to see whether they adjust to the new environment.
It's a wonderful idea. We must appreciate them. Their children too proved themselves that they would mingle with everyone, Dad. What are you thinking of, Dad?
About your mom. She doesn't think of herself. She thinks of others, especially her kids first. But have you ever thought of your mom? At least once in a blue moon?
We are ashamed of ourselves, Dad. We realize that we are not behaving properly. We will mend our ways, Dad.
ಸಂಜಾನೆ ತೋನೆ ತಾನೇ ನೇನಾನೋ ಅವ ತುಂಬಕ ತಾನೆ ಅಂಬಿಲಂಬಾನೋ ಓ ಸುಕುಮಾರಿ ಓ ಶೃಂಗಾರಿ ನಾಗಲಂಗಾರಿಣಿ ಓ ಸುಕುಮಾರಿ ಓ ಸುಕುಮಾರಿ ಓ ಶೃಂಗಾರಿ ये कुमारी ये कुमारी कुमारी కుమారి నా ప్రేమే వెక్కి ముక్కి పక్క సిక్కెనే కుమారి నా గుండె గుప్పి రొప్పి కృంగుసున్నది కుమారి నా మాటల కడలి మండి ఎండేనే కుమారి నా ప్రేమే వెక్కి ముక్కి పక్క సిక్కెనే కుమారి నా గుండె గుప్పి రొప్పి కృంగుసున్నది కుమారి నా మాటల కడలి మండి ఎండేనే నే ఓడిపోయాననుకుంటనే నా ప్రేమను కాస్త వాయిదా వేస్తీనే